Okay, so the surface area is equals to the lateral area plus the area of the base, where B is equals to length times W. So the lateral area is equals to 10 square meter plus 2 times 3, which is equals to bring down 10 square meter plus 6 square meter is equal to 16 square meter. So the surface area of a tent is equal to 16 square meter. Mathematics 6 measurement. Surface area of cubes, cylinders, prism, cones, and sphere. And welcome to my channel. This is Maestro05DX, and don't forget to like and share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you'll be updated on all my videos. And shout out to all my grade 6 students who are watching this. And for our objective, find the surface area of cubes, prism, cone, cylinder, and sphere. Okay, for our preparatory activity, so let us complete the following statement. Okay, to get the surface area of a cylinder is to add the sum of the lateral area and the areas of each blank. So, what are the two addends in getting the surface area of a cylinder? So, that is the area of the two bases, the top and the bottom. To get the surface area of a rectangular prism is to add the product of the areas of all the sides multiplied by 2. The surface area of the pyramid is the sum of the lateral area and the area of each what? So that is the area of the base. Okay, the formulas, or what is the formula in finding the surface area of sphere? What is the formula in finding the surface area of a sphere? So that is 4 pi r squared. And the surface area of a cone is the sum of the lateral area and the area of each. Again, the surface area of a cone is the sum of the lateral area and the area of each base. Okay, so let us have a review. Okay, refer to the figure. Okay, so you have the rectangular pyramid. Let's open it to get the net. Okay, the first question is, what is the shape of the base? What is the shape of the base? The shape of the base is rectangular or rectangle. What is the shape of the lateral faces? What is the shape of the lateral faces? The shape of the lateral faces is triangular. How many faces are in the figure, including the base? Again, how many faces are in the figure, including the base? There are 5. Oh, there are 5 faces. Okay, what is the area of the face? What is the area of the face? So the area of the face is equals to 10 squared meter. Why? Is because the area of the triangle is equals to 1/2 times the base and the height. Okay, what is the lateral area? What is the lateral area? So the lateral area is equals to 40 squared meter. And what is the area of the base? So the area of the base is equals to 15 squared meter. Okay, look at the figure below. So this is a cube and it has a dimension of 4 centimeter. The question is, how to get the surface area of a cube? How to get the surface area of a cube? So we have to get first the area. So how to get the area? So we have to multiply side by side. Then after getting the area, multiply it by the number of sides, which is equals to 6. So that is equals to, the surface area is equals to 6 times s squared, which is equal to 6 times 4 times 4, which is equals to 6 times 16 squared meter. Therefore, the surface area of a cube is equals to 96 squared meter. Okay, the surface area of a rectangular prism. Okay, so we have the rectangle. Let me show you the length, the height, and the width. So the length is 16 centimeter, the height is 10 centimeter, and the width is 8 centimeter. So surface area is equals to 2 times quantity, length times width, plus the length times height plus the width times height. Then close bracket equals, then 2 open the quantity times 16 times 8 plus 16 times 10 plus 8 times 10. So which is equals to, of course the unit is in squared centimeter. We multiply it already. That's centimeter times centimeter. Bring down 2. Then multiply 16 by 8. So that is equals to 128 plus 16 times 10 is 160 plus 8 times 10 is 80 centimeter equals, bring down 2, then add 128, 160, and 80, which is equals to 368 squared centimeter. Multiply by 2, that is equals to 736 squared centimeter. And that is the surface area of a rectangle. Okay, next. The surface area of a cylinder where pi is equals to 3.14. Okay, so we have a cylinder. So this is a can of sardines with the radius of 3 centimeter and a height of 8 centimeter. So of course we have to get first the lateral area, and the lateral area is equals to 2 pi RH, or 2 times pi times the radius times height, which is equals to 2 times 3.14 times the radius of 3 times the height of 8. So that is equals to 2 times 3.14 is equals to 6.28 multiply by the product of 3 and 8, which is equals to 24 square centimeter. So the lateral area is equal to 150.72 square centimeter. So this time, let's get the surface area. The surface area is equals to LA plus the area of the base. So 2 times the area of the base because the upper and the bottom. So the lateral area with the formula up again of 2 pi RH plus 2 times pi times radius squared equal to, substitute the value of the lateral area, which is 150.72 square centimeter, plus 2 times 3.14 times 3 centimeters squared. Okay, bring down 150.72 square centimeter plus 2 times 3.14 is equals to 6.28 times 3 times 3. Again, bring down 150.72 plus 6.28 times the product of 3 and 3, which is equals to 9 squared centimeter, equals, bring down 150.72 square centimeter plus the product of 6.28 and 9, which is equals to 56.52 square centimeter, and then add. So the surface area of a cylinder is equals to 207.24 squared centimeter. Okay, so let me show you again the tent. The tent has a width of 2 meters and the length of 3 meters with a height of 2.5 meters. So to get first the lateral area, that is equals to 4 multiplied by 1/2 base times height. So bring down 4 times 1/2, and the base is equals to 2 meters multiplied by 3 meters equals, let's cancel 4 and 2. So 4 and 2 will become 2, and then times 5 squared meter, that is 2 meter times 2.5 is equals to 5 squared meter times 2 is equals to 10 squared meter is the lateral area. And then this time, let's get the surface area, which is equals to, the surface area is equals to the lateral area plus the area of the base, where B is equals to length times width, which is equals to 10 squared meter plus 2 times 3 equals, bring down 10 squared meter plus 6, that is the product of 2 and 3, that is 6 squared meter, then add. So that is equals to 16 squared meter. So the surface area of a tent is equals to 16 squared meter. So 16 squared meter. So this time, let's proceed on cone. Let's use again the value of pi as 3.14. So it has a radius of 2.5 centimeter and the slant height of 7 centimeter. Okay, so let's solve the surface area. Combine the formula, the lateral area plus the area of the base. So lateral area is equals to pi multiplied by the radius multiplied by the slant height plus the area, which is equals to pi r squared, and that is equal to 3.40 multiplied by 2.5 times 7 plus the 3.14 times 2.5 squared up meter, centimeter equals, so 3.14 times 2.5, so 2.5 times 7 is equals to 17.5 plus the 3.14 and 2.5 multiplied by 2.5 is equals to 54.95 plus 3.14 times 6.25, bring down 54.95 square centimeter, and then get the product of 3.14 and 6.25, which is equals to 19.625 square centimeter equals to 74.575 square centimeter. So that is the surface area of a cone. Okay, this time is surface area again of a triangular prism. Okay, this is a triangular prism. If you will notice, it has a height of, that is 8, not 6, 8, and then the base of 12, and then the other side of a triangle, which is 10, and the height of 18 centimeter, and the height of the triangle is equals to 6 centimeter. So this is 8. This is 8, not 6. This is 8, not 6. So this is 8, not 6. Okay, so LA is equals to the perimeter of a triangle plus the height. So that is equals to PH. So 12 plus 8 plus 10. Again, as I've said, this is 8, not 6. So this is 12 plus 8 plus 10 times 18. This is 18. So that is equals to 30 times 18 centimeter. So that is equals to 540 square centimeter. So this time, let's get the surface area by combining the lateral area plus the area of the base. There are two. Because since it's a triangular, so we have LA plus 2 times 1/2 times base times height, which is equals to the lateral area of 540 square centimeter plus 2 times 1/2 times 12 times 6. So bring down 540 plus, we can cancel 2 and 2. So what was left is 6, 12, and 6, which is equals to 72 square centimeter, and then add. So that will become, to add that is equal to, so that is equals to 600 equal to 612 square centimeter. Okay, next. Surface area of a sphere. Surface area of sphere. Okay, so the radius of a sphere is equals to 5 centimeter. And the formula in finding the surface area is equals to 4 times the pi times the radius squared, which is equals to 4 times 3.14 times 5 centimeter quantity raised to the second power is equals to 12.56 times 5 times 5 equals 12.56 times 5 is equals to 25 square centimeter, and that product is equals to 314 squared centimeter. Okay, so that is for the evaluation. Find the area or the surface area of each solid figure. Here you have the rectangular pyramid and a cylinder. A cylinder with a radius of 4 and a height of 10 centimeter. And that's it. And thank you for watching and listening. Okay, see you on my next video. Bye.